Hey there, language learners! Today, we're going to tackle the Speak About the Photo section of the Duolingo English Test. We'll use a real example from the test to show you exactly how to ace this part. In this section, you'll see a photo and have to talk about it for 90 seconds. It's all about describing, sharing personal insights, and connecting with the photo emotionally. Let's look at our sample photo. It's a peaceful scene of a blonde child sleeping in a stroller, surrounded by lush greenery, possibly in a park. So, how do you answer this type of question? First, start with an objective description of what you see. Next, add your personal commentary. Then, make associations with the context of the photo. Finally, share your personal feelings about the image. Let's walk through a detailed answer using our sample photo. We can describe the photo in this way. So, what we're looking at here is really a picture-perfect scene taken outdoors. The greenery is vibrant, there's grass and trees all around, so I'm thinking this could be a beautiful park or maybe even a bit of forest area. Now, right in the heart of this natural setting, we've got this adorable blonde child just fast asleep in their stroller. They're dressed in the simplest summer outfit, you know, a white t-shirt, gray shorts, totally what you'd wear on a sunny afternoon. And there's this little surprise. A butterfly has landed right on their head. It's one of those moments that's just so peaceful, so serene. It's got to be one of those memories that parents love to capture. It's the kind of day that just feels like a gift, doesn't it? Well, looking at this image really warms my heart. It's such a delightful scene. Being outdoors, taking in the fresh air, it's incredibly beneficial for kids, both for their physical health and mental well-being. They get to be up close to nature, run around, jump, and even interact with wildlife, like this gentle butterfly here. It's fantastic because it's not just about staying active, it's about feeding their curiosity as well. I truly believe that kids should engage in outdoor activities more often. You know, this photo might very well have been taken by the child's parents, capturing a slice of family time, perhaps over the weekend when there's no work to rush to, allowing for a leisurely stroll in the outdoors, or some relaxing time in the park. And it's the kind of scene that nudges at my own memories, taking me back to my childhood. My parents would often take me to the park near our home, much like the one in this picture, where the scenery was just as picturesque. So, it's more than just a photograph. It's a reminder of those carefree, joyful days. It's about the bond we share with our loved ones and the simple pleasures of life, like watching your child sleep peacefully under the watchful eye of nature. You know, this image is a beautiful echo of time spent with family, treasured and timeless. Remember, keep your response clear and relevant. Use vivid language to describe, but don't stray from the photo's context. This balance will make your answer stand out. And that's how you master Speak About the Photo in the Duolingo English Test. Practice with different photos and follow these steps to build your confidence. For more tips, check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more language learning tips and tricks. Happy learning, and see you next time.